Bill Goudy checking in. Ah, Lucy Lou too. It's 32 degrees outside. It rained all night. It was too sloppy this morning to get anything done, and the wind come up. Couldn't do any burning. Sun just now starting to come out, and it's sunset. So everything's wet, damp. I was going to cook outside in the Camp Made Dutch oven. I'm going to do a chicken stew. Yeah, it's exactly like a beef stew, only instead of beef meat, I'm using chicken meat. So, you know what? To help heat the camper, I'm going to use the can cooker. Yeah, I get a condensation in here, and that's a sad part. You know, it's ruining my roof, my interior. Yeah, it's starting to peel, and I'm just going to have to replace it. I don't know. I've been thinking about what I'm going to do to fix it, but it is due to the condensation. It's not leaking. When it rains and stuff, I don't get any rain in here, but the ceiling is starting to peel. So I'm going to have to do something. I don't know what yet. That's on the agenda. Well, let's get to cooking. I want to say thank you to Jack's Drinkwater. He's the one that gave me this can cooker. I think this is the Can Cooker Junior. And they say to put spray oil in there, but guess what? You know, I don't have any spray oil handy. Yeah, it's on the list. So I use some extra virgin olive oil. They just say to spray it before you use it, even though it's Teflon coated in there. And not that I'm really a Teflon fan, because I'm not. But hey, I won it. I like the cooker and I like the way it works. So I have to put up with the Teflon. I don't use it all the time, but it's sometimes. So I'm going to put them in there, and with a little chicken broth, and I got mushrooms, onion, and garlic in here. I'll add these are the seasonings for the chicken. That's all I'm going to do. I'm not going to season the chicken in any way. I thought about it, but I don't think I will. Just because I want the chicken to peel off the bones, and they're going to pick up the flavor from the veggies. That's real butter. Half a stick of real butter going in there with that. Thank you, Calvin. Calvin Corner 72 sent me that lighter. I use it all the time. Thank you, sir. That was the hard part. Now I just got to sit back and wait for steam to come out of there. And after about, I think I'm going to go for 45 minutes. After steam comes out of there for 45 minutes, I'm going to shut it down. I got it on medium heat. That's the hardest part of the whole deal. I'll bring you back. You know what time it is. You know what time it is, Luce? I think it's that time. I just happen to be ahead of you. I already poured it. Look at the goodness. It's always, oh, that's ice cold too. It's always good to get the priority straight. All we gotta do now is sit back and wait. It's going to get a little warm up in here, and I might even have to crack the window and turn the vent fan on, just depending on. Yeah, that's just part of camper living. You know, I make this camper do a lot of stuff it wasn't designed to do. No, yeah, it wasn't designed to work in this. Well, it's not sub-zero, but in this colder weather. And I do it in the cold weather, in the sub-zero weather as well. They're saying next week it's supposed to be up in the 40s. I hope they're right. I'll bring you back when this gets ready. Look. Oh, you're going to hear me say it. Look at the goodness. What do you think, Lucy Lou? Huh? Does that look good? You want some of that chicken? I think it will be Lucy Lou approved. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Lucy Lou approved. Mm. That's good. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so hungry. Bill Goudy out. Mm. Beef stew, chicken stew. Oh, it doesn't matter. I'm telling you, that is so good. Hey, was that Lucy Lou approved? Huh? Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that, but she licked that clean.